Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question with us today. We would like to solve this question together. This question comes from the topic of inequalities. Let's start solving the question. F equals 50x. The equation above represents the Hooke's law, showing how force F in newtons and applied to a certain spring relates to the spring's displacement x in meters m. It is recommended that the maximum x be between 0.1 meters and 0.3 meters for the spring to operate safely. Which of the following inequalities describes the recommended range for the maximum force for this spring? In Hooke's law, it's there's you don't even need to know this information, but there's a directly proportional relation between the force and the resistance of the spring. So that's called the Hooke's law, but it's until for a certain limit though. I mean, after that point, the graph curves it, then where the technically spring just disconnects. So, but you don't need to know that even the physics knowledge about this to solve this question. Technically, you're going to use the given equation 50x and 0.1 meter and 0.3 meters are our range. First, we're going to substitute 0.1 to find the F, the force we can use. 50 times 0.1. 0.1, it's going to be easier if you will show it as a fraction. You can just rewrite 0.1 as 1 over 10. And technically, this is 50 over 1, 50 times 1, 50 over 10. Or you can just cross simplify these zeros. F will be 5. This is our minimum. And let's call it F2 for the second one. We're going to use the same formula. And 50 times, this time I will use the 0.3 value. 50 times, and I'm going to rewrite 0.3 as a fraction, which is 3.3 over 10. Same thing applies in here. 50 times 3 is 150 over 10 is 15, or you can just, as I said, cross simplify these zeros. You can also get 15 with this one. So our range will be between 5 and 15. And when you look at the choices, you're given this choice and the choice B for this specific question. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.